Hi kids, we have another two experiments today. I have brought two vessels here. One vessel has three outlets, one above the other on one side of the vessel. An empty vessel. We have three holes made here. In the other one, four holes are there, all at the same height at the bottom. Let us fill each of these and try first. How do they act we will see. Shall we fill in this? I will keep these two closed with my fingers and get it filled up now. Yeah. Now the jar is full of water. Now you just see, I will remove my fingers. How does water spill out you just see. Keep watching. In the lowermost exit, it goes to a long distance. The next one, it was close. The third one, the water was pouring out just there itself. We'll try again, just have a look. I'll remove my fingers now, keep watching. You see the distance to which water comes out and falls. How does it get pumped out? Watch. Why does it happen so? As you go to depth, the force of water is more, pressure of water is more. As you come up, the pressure is less. This is the reason in a 3 or 4 storied building, the force of water will be very poor in the 4th floor. Come down to the ground floor, the force will be much higher. So the pressure increases as depth increases. You have seen how dams are built. Usually dams are built with a wide base. Base will be wide. As it moves upwards, it becomes thinner and thinner. What's the reason? At the base, the pressure of water in the reservoir will be pushing, it will be very high. As it comes up, the pressure is low. So all the dams are built with very wide bases. Okay, we will have another experiment now with the other vessel, wherein are at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll keep all these closed and we will fill it with water. Now all the 4 exits you see here, they are at the same depth. They are at the same depth. Let's see whether the water pressure would be the same or it differs. See? See? I turn it around. The distance to which water falls is one and the same through all the exits. See? See? It's enough, enough. See, at a given depth in water, the water pressure is the same. So in the ground floor, let there be any number of taps. In all the taps you find water coming out at the same speed. Pressure is the same. But from story to story, you find the water pressure going on decreasing. It's a key characteristic of pressure in liquids. Thank you.